As you can see, my dahlias have been well and truly frosted, so I'm going to cut them back and show you what I do with the tubers. So I shall show you how I pull them out. Come, give them a good shake. Shake off the excess soil. Oh, there's quite a lot on there. Right, now these are the tubers and these are the bits that we want to keep. So I shall cut all of this away and then store these in a box. Now planted here was all the same type of dahlias, so I shall put those all in a box together, labelled, so I know exactly what they are for next year. And then I shall show you how in the spring I pop them into plots in the greenhouse and start them off in there. Dahlias used to be really fashionable in the 80s and 90s, and then they went out of fashion for a while, but they've come back in, which is great news because they're just really easy, and also they produce wonderful flowers throughout the summer, which is brilliant for flower arranging. They're lovely to have in the house. And they just, as long as you pick them regularly, they just keep producing lots and lots of lovely flowers. So they are just fab, I think, and really colourful, and just add something to the garden. So here, I'm just chopping these tubers off. So that I will store in my box. And these here, I might just chop those down a little bit more. It's enormous. I'm going to have to take a lot of soil off that in a minute. So I've got those all now in a group together. A couple more down there. I'm not sure if those will take, but we'll have a go. Oh, and I've noticed another one. So there, we've got this little pile down here. I don't think you can quite see. It's a pile down here, which I shall pop in this box over here. So I'm now going to pull these. So those were all the white ones in that box there. Now these were really big pink ones. They were great. So look, that's come out really nicely. So I shall chop that off and pop that into my box there, which I know is the pink ones. And these ones in this box down at the other end, and those are quite a deep red. Oh! Now I don't think I got all the tubers there, so I shall have a dig and get those out in a moment. We want them really to be like that to replant for next year. I also don't keep them all, I just select the best ones to replant, and then I add some different varieties and some different colours as well. I'm really pleased how this rose is coming on. It was a Mother's Day present this year from the children, and I think it's doing brilliantly. It's a really little pink rose in sort of quite small clusters together, but I think hopefully by next year it'll be right up to the top of the stable. Right, so we've got some more pink ones down here. So I shall give these a tug. Those came out nice and easily. So again, I'll just chop that all off. Shake off the excess soil. And that is perfect to pop in my box to store box. Those will go on the bonfire later. Let's see if I can split these. That's perfect. So those have split really nicely. You don't want the tubers to be too big for next year because you want to be able to pop them in a decent size flower pot. But if you've got enormous tubers, then you need a whopping pot. Someone's out for a nice evening ride. So as you can see, this bed is now totally clear. I've just got my lovely rose there. In this box I've got the white ones, and here I've got the red ones, and in here I've got the pink ones. So these shall now go into the garage until the spring.